Alright, so if anybody's having Xbox One troubles, you go to turn it on, just absolutely doesn't turn on. You can click the button, you'll have an orange light, unplug the power cable, plug it back in. You might have a white light come on for about 5 seconds, and then it'll go back to orange. Chances are it's not your power box, despite all the fucking PlayStation bastards out there that just absolutely defile these Xboxes. I cherish them. Anyways, you disassemble this bad boy. I'm not gonna show how. You'll find videos on YouTube. It's not difficult, but if you find it difficult, you're definitely gonna have fun with this. Once you get it down to this part, you're gonna come down, be very gentle, because you have a blue ribbon cable in here, and basically, I thought my Xbox was just taking a shit. Chances are it's just gonna be your blue ribbon cable. I don't do work like this myself, so if your blue ribbon cable itself is taking a shit, which mine is, especially in the disc part, if I tap my disc part, sometimes my disc drive will, pop out of disc. It's trying to right now. My Xbox just turned on. I was having problems at first. My disc drive wasn't working, so I took it apart. Was going to replace my disc drive, but it's not my disc drive. So then when I was putting it back together, I noticed my Xbox wouldn't turn on at all. I kept pressing the button, wasn't turning on. So I took it apart, and when I was messing with the blue ribbon cable, I'm not going to do it now because, I just had the best luck to put it back together, perfectly right. But make sure you put that on right, because if you don't, there's a little loop right here that you have to loop it around, and then right where my index finger is, there is an insert that clips into the back of it, and then it folds over the front. So just make sure you have it on there right, otherwise, you're not inserting or even turning off your Xbox. So good luck, and hopefully that helps.